What's up, y'all? Surfer Joe here, and it is January 2025, and I'm out here at my sprinkler pump because I saw next week that we're supposed to get our first freeze here in the Florida Panhandle, so I'm going to go ahead and drain this thing so it doesn't crack. Now, some people just run their sprinklers on the mornings that it freezes and they get these spectacular ice sculptures, but then you have to remember to turn your pump on when it's going to freeze, and I'd just rather drain it, and then you don't have to worry about it all winter. So without any further delay, we're going to go ahead and get started. All you need is an adjustable wrench like this here. Now, some pumps have one bolt, but mine has two, but you just want to put the adjustable wrench on there and break the nut free. And sometimes you might have to put a little weight behind it like this one. But once you break it, it should turn pretty freely, and eventually you can just get it by hand, pull it off, and let it drain. Then just do the same thing for the bottom bolt. Lastly, you want to clean the sand off the bolts and crank them back into the pump so they're there in the spring when it's time to prime it up again. That's about it. Pretty simple deal. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff does help with the YouTube algorithm, and stay stoked.